Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 23. How to write your product review article. In this video, we will take a look at how to write your product review article, step by step. So let's get started. So this is our article review format. First is introduction, then what is product name, who is the creator, which is optional, then product name review, the features, in this you will add features, then product name review, the benefits, and in it you include the benefits, then product name review, the upsells, and in it, you will add upsell details. Next is the conclusion and bonuses, which is also optional. Now, this is our review article. First is the title of our article, and below is the permalink. Then we have a little bit of review, then the introduction part with picture. Next are complete features of the product. Then we have the benefits of the product. After that, we have upsell details of the product. All the autos with their features. Then we have conclusions, and here we enter our affiliate link with a button. So this is how you create a review article. Next, what is the source of the review article? Go to Munchai and from here open your product page, where they have given the JV page link, open it. So from this JV page, you can copy the details of the products. It has an introduction, features, bonuses, contests, funnel details where you can see all its autos. So from this page, you can extract the information about product to write your review article. From Munchai, you can open the JV page of any product to write your review article. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 24. How to promote affiliate offers with comparison technique. In that video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers with the comparison technique, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.